Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to use a study plan properly in these courses. So study plans are linked to quizzes. You will not be able to start a quiz until you get your master points, your MPs or your master points for the quiz. So before you attempt a quiz, you're going to need to earn these master points through the study plan. Go ahead and click on the study plan associated with the quiz that you're wanting to take. You'll notice there's a number of master points that you need to be able to do the quiz. For instance, this one I need at least 2 of 2. You should always try to get all the master points there are. Each quiz there'll be a different amount of master points that you need. Usually they're anywhere from 2, 3, up to 6, 7, sometimes even 8 master points to be able to take a quiz. You have to have these master points before you can even attempt a quiz. So how do you get a master point? Well, you have 2 options here. You can either practice or you can quiz me for each objective or each mastery object that you want to get. The way that you earn a mastery point is by clicking on the Quiz Me button. What the Quiz Me button will do is it'll bring up a quiz for you that's 4 questions related to that topic right there. You go through and you have to try to attempt all 4 different questions. I'm going to enter these answers wrong just to give you an idea. When you do these 4 questions for every single mastery point, you'll get 1 easy-ish question, 2 intermediate-ish questions, and 1 more difficult question. You have to get all 4 of these questions right to earn the mastery point. Once you've entered your answers to all the different questions, all the 4 questions, go ahead and hit the Submit Quiz. And you'll find out how you did. It'll tell you right here which questions you got right, which questions you got wrong. You can click on the question itself. And what it'll show you is the green will be the right answer, the red will be the actual answer that you put. In other ones, the answer that it shows will be the correct answer. When you put your mouse over it, it'll show you what you actually answered to see how off you were, so you can see the correct answers to those questions. But since I didn't pass all 4 of those questions, I did not earn my mastery point. If you notice, you can no longer get into the Quiz Me. You actually have to practice the problems. So Quiz Me earns the mastery point. Practice prepares you for the Quiz Me questions. So in order to get the Quiz Me to come up again, I'm going to go ahead and click on Practice. When I click on Practice, this is going to be much, much different. If you notice, there's many different problems that I can do here now. You can do as many as you want or as few as you want. The thing is you at least need to open this up and try this to be able to go back in and do the Quiz Me. I need to at least complete 1 problem correct before I can do Quiz Me again. So the advantages of the practice problems. Number 1, none of this affects your grade. This is your personal learning journey. These problems are to help you learn how to do the different problems. If you see a problem that you know how to do, just go on to the next one. That's perfectly fine. Maybe I'll go in here and I'll check my answer and see that was a completely lucky guess. And I can continue through these problems. These different tools over here are to help you learn. The different things that you want to get used to is Help Me Solve This. What Help Me Solve This does is it works through a problem step by step, showing you how to do the problems. You enter and it'll tell you if you enter it right or wrong. After 2 attempts, it gives you the correct answer. And it's showing you step by step, with help often, how to do these problems. So, Help Me Solve This. It walks you step by step with you actually working through the problem and entering intermediate steps throughout it. View an example. This is like looking in the back of the book at the solutions manual. This has no interaction whatsoever. You just hit continue and read through it and it tells you how to do the problem. If you're in a time crunch and you just want to see what the answer is, use View an Example. If you want to learn the material, I strongly suggest doing Help Me Solve This, because Help Me Solve This works through that exact problem. View an example is something similar. There's video lectures to show you how to do similar problems. It'll be an instructor working through it. Animation slideshows. The textbook will bring you to the section of the problem where the material is to cover it. You can always do Ask My Instructor or print the problem itself to work on the problem later. This would be nice if you're going into math solutions. Either write down the problem by hand or print a few of them up and bring them on in to get them. So these tools right here are your key to your success to learning how to do these problems. Once you get one of the problems right, let's see if I can get a problem right. Let me do a similar exercise here. If you get a problem wrong, you'll see X. You can click similar exercise. It'll reload it with a very similar problem. Okay, now that I have a problem right, I got one right. You'll see the green check mark. I'm going to close this. And if you notice, Quiz Me is back open. I can go into the Quiz Me and try to earn that mastery point again. So once again, a quick overview. When you come in, here's the topic that you need to be able to solve. You click on Quiz Me, you're going to get 4 questions that you have to answer. You have to answer all 4 of them right to earn that mastery point. If you miss any of those 4 questions, you need to go into the practice, learn how to do these, practice the problems, get some of them right. Once you've learned how to do it using all those aids, you're going to go back to Quiz Me, do 4 more problems. Once you get all 4 of them right, you get your mastery points. When you have enough mastery points, you're going to go back into the assignments, and you'll actually be able to take the quiz for that section because you'll have the mastery points necessary. One thing to warn you, when you take a quiz, if you miss the problems on the quiz, it's shown that you haven't mastered the material. So the study plan, whatever questions you missed on the quiz, it'll remove your mastery point, and you'll have to go back in, practice the problems, and earn that mastery point again. So, how you're going to do this, once again, you're going to click on the study plan. You're going to hit Quiz Me. 4 problems, 1 easy, 2 intermediate, 1 difficult. Earn your mastery point. Go back to the assignments. Take the quiz. After you've taken the quiz, go back into the study plan. Make sure you have all your mastery points. If that's not clear, please let me know. I hope that shows you what the study plan is, what your learning is going to be like. If you know the material, those Quiz Me problems will be nice and easy. You'll be able to earn your mastery points very quick without doing many problems. If you're not comfortable with the material, you're going to have to do more practice problems until you learn how to do the material. Make sure you get these mastery points and are attempting these quizzes early, because these quizzes do have due dates. If you look, you can do these quizzes as many times as you want, but you do have to have the mastery points necessary for that quiz before you can attempt the quiz. So you can never bypass the study plan and those mastery points. Good luck this semester, and let me know if I can help you.